TxStampin Sharon. I have got a really fun fold to share with you today. I've never done it before. Maybe you have, but if you haven't, I hope you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. You're invited to subscribe by hitting the button below, and then you can hit the notification bell. You'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up or a comment if you have ever done this fold or if you like it. If I can ever help you with any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, I would be honored. You can find my store in the description box below. Let me show you my card. So this fun fold happened by accident. I had something in my head, and that's not how it turned out. But I love it. It's super cute, different, and we're going to change it up just a little bit on this video, since this is more like for fall, for Thanksgiving, or just a gathering. We're going to use everything festive, and I'm going to just use sentiment stamps and no image. And I'm going to use the Toile Designer Series paper. My card base is 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, scored and folded at 5 1/2. My layer of garden green is 4 by 5 1/4. My toile is 3 3/4 by 5. Then I have another layer of garden green and then the toile. The garden green measures 2 1/2 by 4, and my toile is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. So that will layer like that. And then I have my little, I'm calling it a note card. I don't know what else to call it. This measures 3 inches by 6, scored and folded at 3. And then I have 2 layers of Very Vanilla that is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Both of them are the same. And then I have this piece of Very Vanilla that is 3 3/4. Okay. This is going to be an easy card to make. And when we're making Christmas cards, we want to make them in a snap, don't we? So we're just going to start adding our layers. And I debated, which one do I use? Do I use one? Let's just look. Let's just see what happens. Nah, I think it needs to be the same, don't y'all? Yeah, we're going to make it the same. Now, I did notice there is a leaf going up, so I looked at that leaf, so that's how I lined mine up. You know, you could use this fun fold any time of the year for any occasion. Just because I'm showing it to you with Christmas paper doesn't mean a thing. So we have our 2 pieces of Very Vanilla, and we're going to get out our Real Red stamp pad. I'm going to stamp Mary and Brat. From our home to yours. So we're going to add this to the front like this, okay? And I only want to add adhesive on the left-hand side. So I'm going to hold my finger there Center that back up. And then I've already added it. Let's see, did I put snail? Yes, I already added snail to this. And this time I want the card, I don't want to be able to see it, but I want the note to go this way. Just a place to write your sentiment and well wishes to someone. And then I thought, Mary and Brat, we need some Brat. And there you have it. All occasions, think of birthdays. You could also add like a gift card in here, you know, like you could just stick one on with a glue dot. So very versatile fold. And like I said, it was by accident. Happy stamping, y'all.